This dual shower system combines a generous 10-inch overhead spray with a versatile handheld unit, so you can enjoy both immersive coverage and targeted rinsing in one setup. The built-in filtration media, including multiple specialized filter balls, noticeably improves water quality by cutting down on chlorine, metals, and other impurities that can irritate skin and hair. An upgraded 3-way diverter with a durable push button lets you switch smoothly between the overhead head, the handheld, or both together, which feels especially convenient when sharing a bathroom with people who have different preferences. The handheld sprayer offers 7 distinct patterns, ranging from a strong blade stream to softer aerated sprays and a pause mode, making it easy to tailor the water flow for rinsing, relaxation, or cleaning the shower itself. A height-adjustable slide bar and pivoting brass connector allow the large rain head to be positioned comfortably for children and adults of different heights without complicated adjustments. Installation is straightforward for most standard bathrooms because the kit includes the necessary mounting hardware, hose, filters, and clear instructions, so a homeowner can usually install it without calling a plumber.